Alright, you guys, I have semi-cleaned out my space. I had to fix this. Something is going on with my light and my fan. I'm going to take it down to see if it's knocked the box loose that's inside of the thing with the remote. But I do have my lights on, and it gives me right now a filtered look. In here, I'm going to bring in one of my ring lights. But I have everything semi down out the way. I'm going to take down the green curtains. I am going to be adding black back in the space. So I'm going to take the cover off the bed. And I'm going to move everything out. have that done, I am going to attempt to hang it by myself. I know it's going to be off-centered, but I'm going to leave it like this because I can't take these. Let's clear up screen focus. I can't take these right here out myself. I got help coming, but it's going to be 2 days, and I need to get this room out of the way. So I'm going to attempt to hang it. I got to take the legs off first. I got to get the legs here and back there. I got to take the legs off. Then I am going to attempt to hang it by myself. All right, family, I do have the TV up, and let me tell you, it whooped my behind. It still is a little too high, and I need to shift it over just a little bit, but I'm leaving it like that until I get some assistance. Because I sit the TV on top of the pillows here to get it up while I was standing on the chair, and I almost tumbled over. So, yeah, I'm going to leave it till I get help. It's going to be like that probably for 2 days. I'll come back and let you see. But what I'm finna to do now is I'm going to go ahead and change out the curtains here so that I can have the room semi together. Now this is my current space. Like I said, I got that blue picture's the only thing out of space. There's my headboard